Hey, get your feet off me. I'm an airbag. I deploy at 200 miles per hour. If I deploy, you won't just be uncomfortable, you'll fold up like a garden chair. Hey, this keychain is way too heavy. You're literally pulling me down. I'm the ignition switch, and you're slowly destroying me. Look at me, I've gone bald. If I continue like this, I'm going to explode. Hey, I'm overheating here. Downshift already. If you keep driving like this, I'll stop working, and we're both going down in flames. Hey, I'm the fuel pump. I need gasoline to stay cool. Fill up the tank, or I'm gonna burn out. I'm freezing. Everything is covered in snow. Don't slam the gas yet. Let me warm up, or you'll crack a piston, buddy. Hey, where's the washer fluid? I'm completely dry. Hear that screaming sound? Yeah, that's me scratching your windshield. Wash the car. Bird poop is basically acid. It's eating the clear coat. Leave me in the sun like this, and that stain will stay forever.
Subscribe for more hidden car knowledge and smart driving tips.